Have a look at some of the most beautiful houseplants in mason jar ideas that will surely tempt you to grow them like this as well. Herbs in mason jars. Small, shallow root herbs, starter plants, or cuttings can easily be grown in mason jars. English ivy in a small mason jar. You can easily grow an English ivy in water in a mason jar. Wandering Jew in a mini jar. This very famous inch plant is a perfect choice for growing in water. Chinese money plant in a tall mason jar. Ever wondered about it? Well, this very famous good luck plant can be grown in mason jars too, in both soil and water. Flowers in colorful mason jars. The green trio. You can even decorate the mason jars with ropes. Succulents in hanging mason jars and parcel string. The ability to survive in dry soil and shallow roots makes them a perfect contender for planting in a mason jar. Succulent in mason jar wrapped with a jute string. Doing this can make your mason jar planter more beautiful. Mason jar succulent planters. Always grow small succulents in mason jars as they don't take up much space. Philodendron in a small mason jar. Heartleaf phyllos are perfect for this purpose. Succulent in a mini mason jar. The jade plant becomes a nice mason jar plant. You can even gift it. Coleus cutting in a mason jar. For a colorful addition, try propagating coleus in mason jars. Herbs in tall mason jars. Always use big mason jars to grow herbs. A green delight. Growing a plant in water in a mason jar saves you from worrying about root rot and waterlogging. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.